Alright, so right now I'm standing out in the parking lot of the Holy Family Community Church in Inverness, Illinois. Let's take a look at architecture for a bit. I'm here with
Chicago Elevators.
Now, can you tell me, why are we standing outside this building?
Because we're going to take a tour and we're going to go to the elevators.
That's right, we're going to take an elevator tour of the elevators in this beautiful property here. Alright, so with that being said, let's begin. Now, normally I just do one elevator video in one elevator in one video, but I decided that if I did more elevator tours, then this would add more variety to my channel. So we're gonna go inside and check out the cool elevators. And you said there's 3 elevators here, right?
Yeah. Dover, International, and ThyssenKrupp.
Alright. And we're going to check those out and see what they're like. Alright, so I want you to guide me to the first elevator.
First elevator, everything's back in 2015. That's when I started first.
Oh yeah, and this here is Chicago Elevator's first elevator he has filmed on YouTube. And it's a Dover Impulse, as you can see. But strangely, it doesn't have the impulse indicator. It's got a different indicator. So this is a rare Dover. Alright, so let's go to 2. Yeah, I've never seen an indicator on a Dover Impulse.
Because it has different bell indicators.
Yeah. Normally you'd see your typical impulse bell indicator. Oh, it's all really bouncy. Alright, here are 2. Let's go in the bell. As you can see, right for down. That's into the basement. Our close button works. We all love that. Let's watch the indicator going down.
Whoa.
Alright, here are the basements. Let's go ring the bell. We're gonna head back down, up to 1, I mean. Sorry, I got up and down mixed up for a sec. And watch this. It's got your bumper. It's not gonna close. Close her up. Now let's get your cab view. It's a really nice cab though, but it's very dim, as you can see. Your Chicago Elevators. Here's your indicator. Certificates on inspection. Fixtures. And there's your phone down there. I don't know if you can see it though, but it's down there. You got the door. So now I'm gonna go ring the bell. Notice that it chimes 3 times. And watch it close up. Get back so we can fit in the frame. There it goes. Alright, now I want you, do you want to guide me to the International or ThyssenKrupp?
I know where the International is.
Yeah, so let's do that.
To make this video faster, how about we speed it up?
Never mind, guys. We're just gonna film the ThyssenKrupp Signa 4.
Yep. ThyssenKrupp Signa 4. Elevator 3.
Yep.
You can also hear a grocery beep.
Yep. Alright, and here it is. Wow, look how smooth that door opens. We're gonna head to the lower level. Door close button works. Oh, let's now watch indicator. Indicator's the use pretty. You can barely see indicator. All right, here we are at the lower level. See, the indicator is almost out.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are at the lower level, which are basically like just some classrooms. So now let's go ring the bell. Oh, I turn the lights on. So now let's head back up to the upper level. Alright, so now let's get a cab view. So it's got a nice motor. Just Chicago Elevators.
Yeah. It's big.
Yeah, it's just your basic hospital sized elevator. Here's your indicator. ThyssenKrupp logo. keys, fixtures, and your phone. You're gonna watch this close up. There it goes. Now, I noticed this. Why did they label the floors UL? Why did they label them UNL instead of UL and LL? We're just like too lazy to put the L or something. All right, so now I want you. So, all right, so now we're gonna do the international. There's someone. Oh, here we go.
It is the international elevator. And oh, look, it has Adam's call.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's not working.
Oh, is it locked off?
Yeah, I think it locked off because.
Oh, I see here. Oh
So,
well.
What are you gonna say?
EPIC fail. And that will be it.
Alright, this is a second elevator at the Holy Family Community Church in Inverness, Illinois. It's an international elevator with Adam's call button. It's a nice elevator. Just go on upper level. Door close button works. I love that. Let's get Kevin. It's a nice elevator. Here's the floor indicator. Certificate inspections. Here's the fixtures. And remaining compliant phone. Emergency phone. And it also said international elevator. Just wait when it closes. Here it goes. And that's it.